Hey guys, welcome back to Lemonhead Garage. Today we're going to be changing the main shaft seal and the jackshaft seal on this transmission of this 1986 Electra Glide. So we're going to go ahead and take the snap ring off. Just be careful with it. They tend to fly, so that's why you can see my hand protecting it. So this one's going to be reverse thread, righty loosey, lefty tighty. I like to put all of my parts back together and then place them in a Ziploc bag. So this is an 8-inch puller from Harbor Freight. I think the 6-inch would work better. I had to shave down this side for it to work. But if you find that 6-inch, I think it might fit a little bit better. In order to pull the starter gear out, you're going to have to push the spring in, pull that pin out, and this will come straight out. Don't lose this. Now on the back side of this, there's going to be 3 pulled bolts. One right here, and then 2 on this side. So 1, 2, and 3. You're going to pull those out so that you can pull this pin straight out the other side. Try to remember there's different sizes, so I try to take a picture of all of them, so go through that too. this jackshaft seal took me forever to find. I actually had to go to Harley Davidson and order it from them. It took like a week to get. Here I'm also just putting some high temp sealant around the corners just in case there's any oil that wants to seep through. You don't really have to do it, but I wanted to do it just in case I didn't want to pull this back apart anytime soon. Go ahead and set these bolts at around 25 foot-pounds. Solenoid, and this is a spring that goes in the back. It's going to come in like this through the back, and you're going to put the solenoid back in and bolt it. Spring goes in first, then this, and this little pin is going to lock it. So this is lefty tighty, righty loosey. So we're gonna thread this in for now so that I can hold it so we can tighten this side. So this side's gonna be 2 drops of red Loctite and 160 foot-pounds regular thread, righty tighty, lefty loosey. Now we're gonna pull this bolt right back out. So I'm gonna put 2 drops of red Loctite on it and torque it at 70 foot-pounds. Reverse thread. So righty loosey, lefty tighty. We're going to adjust our chain to 5/8 to 7/8. There also still is one primary bolt back here, the inner primary. Don't forget that one. And just like that, you have replaced your jack shaft and your main transmission seal. Stay tuned for more content on this 1986 Electra Glide. See you soon.